Hey everyone, thank you again for joining us. We were so humbled and overwhelmed with all the appreciation and tune-ins that you guys sent our way yesterday. And we're just here to give you guys the best message that we can, the most informative and correct and accurate message happening here in Jackson County. And with that, we'll start with April 9th statistics from CEO Lee Bond.
How do you know it's working?
It says, I think it's working, 1 minute and 50 seconds so far.
Okay. Anyway, hey everybody. So Facebook Live, this is weird. Hope you're out there tuning in, but today was a tough day. I must admit, we had 12 new positives come in. Fortunately, 11 of them were outpatient, only one inpatient, but 12's a lot. We had 6 the day before that and 6 the day before that. So one day does not a trend make. We did get a lot more results in today than we get in one day. So hopefully it's partly a function of that. But it was a tough day, another tough day here at Singing River, but we got it. We got a tough team, and everybody's working real hard to help take care of these folks and help them navigate.
Exactly. And with that, like Lee said, we do have a tough team on the front lines, especially in our ICUs where we're taking care of the most critical patients. And to give you kind of a glimpse into what their daily lives are like taking care of these people, we have our ICU manager.
We got a special guest,
Justinn Smathers, who bleeds Singing River Blue and is the heart and soul. And he wrote up a little testimonial a couple days ago just to try to give everyone that's been asking and showing their love to us just kind of an inside look of what his team is dealing with every day on the front line. So with that, Justinn, go ahead.
Well, thank you, Sarah. Like she said, I did write this down. Honestly, whenever I start talking about it and thinking about what some of my team members are going through, it's kind of difficult to remember. So I did write this down the other day. So just bear with me. Everyone wants to know how we're handling it. How the hospital's handling the COVID-19, how I'm handling it personally. I can only speak to what I've seen, what my team's seen. It's tough. We've seen a lot in recent weeks. I've seen a husband of 50 years say his last goodbye through FaceTime. We've taken a bag of belongings outside to a wife after the passing of her husband in the ICU and seen her cry in the parking lot. I've seen a daughter escorted to the bedside of her deceased mother after having to be separated from her during her hospitalization as a result of COVID-19. I've been a comforter to crying staff members and been comforted in my weak moments. I've seen more people get more sick faster than I've ever seen in my career. I've seen late nights, early mornings, and long hours. It's tough. But I've also seen a nurse stick a Foley stat lock to a glass door to manage longer IV tubing. I've seen big headbands with big buttons sewn on the sides of them to relieve friction that face masks can cause on your ears. I've seen coworkers freely exchanging their PTO hours to help others that went on the symptomatic list, and exchanging hours so that their coworkers can go out for a grocery run or when they have childcare issues. I've seen an ICU nurse, a CRNA, a PACU nurse, cath lab nurse, ED nurse, and a med-surg tech all working together in the COVID ICU to help care for our patients. I've seen how innovative, caring, and dedicated our people are. I've seen the heart and soul of our system. Yes, we're seeing tough times, but we'll also make it out of this. We will be better and stronger when all of this is over. Keep your heads up, keep charging forward, keep doing your part to serve those that need us the most. To all of you, thank you for what you're doing. Keep up the good work. To my staff, to Jennifer's staff, thank you. I appreciate it.
Way to go, Justinn. Thanks for being Singing River Strong, brother. If that doesn't grab you right there in the heart, there's something wrong with you. Justinn's out there literally every day experiencing this on the front line. I have the privilege to be able to go through the unit every now and then and see him and say hello to him and give him a little words of encouragement. But what he's doing out there, it's literally on the front line. He's seeing this. This is serious. It's a really tough time right now for them, and I just thank God that we've got people that are strong like Justinn, champions with him and his team that he leads every day. So anyway, we love him and appreciate him, and particularly appreciate you sharing that with us,
Exactly.
Justinn. Thanks a ton.
Yeah, there's no better
Hero.
team to be taking care of the people of our community who are their sickest right now. And you've seen our yard signs out in their neighborhoods. We've tried to show our appreciation as best we can, even though words or signs or anything can completely grasp how much and how grateful we are for them. And that's why, what you can do to show your appreciation is to really follow those guidelines that we put out there, that virus alert that tells you to stay home, don't touch your face, wash your hands, and especially the Easter one that says, please limit the visiting to only people that live in your household. And that's the most crucial thing if we're going to stop the spread of this virus, stop people from dying, and get our team members the rest and the things that they need right now to keep going.
They could use a break. And the best way we can slow this down, I can't say it enough, we sound like a broken record sometimes, but if people would just stop for a minute, just stop and don't move, don't visit, it would stop the spread of the virus, and the teams that are working so hard could catch their breath. So that's what you could give. That's what you could give Justinn for Easter, is a little break by not visiting and doing what we said on the Easter Day. We're going to do another Easter message and resend that out.
Mm-hmm.
It's on our Facebook page.
It's on our Facebook page from the last night's update. You follow that link to the statement. It's on there. If you go straight to our website and click on the coronavirus bar at the top of the page, the first thing that pops up is the Easter message with the link to the PDF with the other links to give you some ideas for activities for you and your only family that lives in your house to do, especially for those kids that are missing out on seeing their grandparents and family members, and also for those of you who are sadly missing out on church on Sunday.
Everything you need to know is on there. So anyway, but again, today was about our heroes, people like Justinn. If it weren't for them, we'd be in a real bind. So thanks to our heroes. And I think that's about all for today.
Yeah.
And I guess I'll just end with this. Stay singing River Strong. We appreciate you, heroes. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
How do I turn this thing off? Oh, hey, Beth.
Big red button right there. Bye.
All right. That was good. He was, when he said this on the thing, it was nobody could come back from it. Nobody could talk after.
I know.